rings are stuck. It's been soaking for 2 days. Enjoy the video. Let's do it. Okay, friends, this is what you do in a pile like this. All these trees, open them up, let the rocks fall through. See? You got to do it, or you're going to be hating life. Take a look at it. It's all in the prep. This one looks not bad. That's good. Let's take a look here. Let's open this up. Let these rocks fall through. There we go. There we are. Good. Okay, not bad. Not bad at all. Good, good. There we go. Okay, I like it. Let's see what happens here. We're gonna take this, we're gonna buck this. I haven't run this saw forever. I don't know what's gonna happen. Okay, that feels like it's almost off. Oh, there's a compression. I don't think it works. Here we go. Go, friends. That's that. So that was 16 minutes. And actually, I played around for a little bit, friends. I did. I remember I PV'd them out. So those logs are all great size. Let's get rid of this stuff now. They're all good size logs. I'm still sharp. I'm still going. I never took any chances. There's a bit of grit in there. I can feel it. Then that'll just need, Hogan sharpened that, friends. He did. He sharpened it. He's getting really good at it. He's meticulous. That'll be his problem, actually. And asset at the same time, right? Yeah. Anyways, glorious, friends.
That Dolmar's nuts. AJ, I love you, buddy. Thanks for sending that saw again. We haven't run it for quite a while, my friend. And I'll tell you, it's a screamer. It's a screamer. That was 15 minutes. I bucked those 3 logs in 15 minutes. Ready to split. And it's going to split quite nice. So we're prepared for the axes now. We'll see. I'll probably get a drink of water. And But my point is, friends, is think ahead. Look for the holes. Get the rocks out of it. Prep. It's all in the prep. That's with everything. Every job, isn't it? Yeah, it is. So we're all bucked. See what I mean? Like, look at this. Look at that. Dirt. Rocks. Right there. Straight up. Look at it. Yeah, there's stones in there. So see how I went through right there? Okay. I saw it. I knew it was there. I was getting near the end. It's I give it a little brush. So, you know, she's in the prep. This is gorgeous firewood. Okay, friends, thanks for watching. That was fun, wasn't it? Yeah. I'll go turn off my GoPro. Talk to you in a minute. Let's get out the axe. I'm running out of battery on the iPhone, actually. So, friends, I just want to take 2 seconds. And, you know, when you're years ago, when you make the jump to do that thing that makes your spirit jump alive, and you know that you could do it every day for the rest of your life, and you make that decision and you quit your job and you say, this is my life, forget it. I want to do what I'm going to do for the rest of my life. I'm going to do it. I'm going to take the jump. And you do it. Well, I'm in that environment right now. And I have been since 1997, maybe a little sooner, later. But friends, I want to say hi to you in Instagram. You guys look at all my stuff. You comment on it. It is a lovely community. There's a couple of doorknobs in there, but you just open them up and you go right inside and you have a look and you see what's the matter with them. You seek to understand and just know that if they're coming at you with something that's anti-positive, you know that they just ain't right. Just look on them as you know, I hate to use the word sick, but maybe not well. Look on them as not well. Seek to understand these folks. They're just not happy. That's all. It's plain and simple. Or else they wouldn't down other people. It is plain and simple, that easy. There's no other. Don't try and figure it out, because that's the answer. That's it. They're not feeling good about themselves, so they come at other people. And so try to give those guys some slack. Cut them some slack. They just need love. It's plain and simple. That's all they need. So that's what we'll continue to do for them. Friends, I'm freaking loving that right now. It's a day off for me. This is a day off for me. I'm helping my buddy out. He's in the hospital right now. He had a heart thing. They were working on him. Get this. They were working on him, and he had like an aorta thing. So he went in for that and down Victoria, and he got it going on, and they finished the operation, and he basically went into recovery, and he freaking had a heart attack. So they reopened him up and put a couple stents in him right there and then. And we talked to him just a few minutes ago. He's doing better. Brian's doing good. He's eating something. It's my buddy that I come out here and see all the time. So I'm gonna flip this off to Instagram because I sincerely just want to say hi to you people out there. I want to say hi to all the people that come into my shenanigans on there and say hi and are positive. Because friends, let's be honest, in our landscape right now, in our world's landscape, there is nothing wrong with it. It's happening because it's not wrong, or if it right, it's going on. So anyways, whatever. I don't want to go off on another strand, but I just want to thank folks. That's it, plain and simple. Because you guys always come in and do your thing in here and say hi and you're positive. The other stuff, the anti-negative or the anti-positive stuff, just let it ride, friends. Let it ride. They'll come round. They'll come round. They will. Especially if you don't feed them. Friends, if you're in a job right now that you have been thinking about leaving, make sure it's your job though. Make sure it's not you spiritually first. Make sure you're not mustered up first. Because it could be you. And if it's your job, that you don't like anymore, make a decision. Whether you're going to start something on the side, start building it, start looking forward to your life. Start looking forward to your life. That's my life right there. That, this, and that. But it's not because someone said, hey, Buckin, you want a job? I quit my job. Do you know what happened? Do you want to know what I did? I'll tell you right now what I did. This is the straight goods. I got my head on straight. I was 27 years old. I'm 51 now. I got my head on straight. I was a wreck. I'll just tell you right now, I was a wreck. I wasn't long for the world. Some of you have heard this story. I don't know why I'm telling this. I'm just in a freaking lively mood, okay? I don't know if I lasted 6 months at my job after I got my head on straight. I went to my boss and said, I gotta go. I said, thank you for putting up with my crap for the last 7 years, but I don't even know what I'm doing here. I don't know what I'm doing here. This is not what I want to do. I gotta go. He goes, what are you gonna do? I said, I'm just gonna go sell firewood for a living. He goes, don't do that. Billy Ray, don't do it. I said, thanks for the vote. I gotta go. Here's my 2 weeks, and friends, well, the rest is history. There was no room for, I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna try it. Try it? Why would I try something? I'm gonna do it. There was no room for negativity. There was no room for, oh, what if I don't? What if? No, I'm not. There's no what ifs. I'm doing it. This is what I'm doing. I want to do it. I quit my job and I bought a house. I did, because I got my gal back. I went back and found my wife. Well, she wasn't my wife. She was my girlfriend at the time. And I went back and I said, you need to dump that character you're with and get back with Buckin, and let's go. I'm done with that world. She'd heard that many times before, but she seen a twinkle in my eye this time. She knew it was right. Took her 30 days and she came back and we started our life. Isn't that crazy, friends? I've never told that on here, but I think it's time. Yeah, so, and that was it. And she just cheered me on. She's just like, do what you're doing. Just keep going, work hard, be honest, and it'll come for you. She kept saying, it'll come, it'll come. I'm like, honey, this is we're broke, mortgage, oh man. Kids started coming. On a serious note, this is your life. Friends, I don't, listen. There's no defeat. There's no room for anything other than what you want to do. That is what you're going to do. Thought, action, the deed. Get the deed done. Over and out, friends. I love yous all.